Let's make step by step the corner rod or so-called connecting rod in Solidworks. We have done the piston head and the crankshaft. If you would like to watch them, I will leave the links on the top or below. Beside the corner rod, we'll make as well the rod bearing. Go ahead, download the blueprints and let's make together. I will start by activate the front plane, then activate the line, and then activate the seco, and here make 2 seco there, then smart dimension, and here will be 15, and down will be 24. Now let's here again make another seco here as well, activate seco, and also here. Now smart dimension, here will be 48 and here will be 25. Okay, now let's here make this point will be 120. Good. Now let's here join by line, activate line, and we'll just here mirror entities just to connect the line here. Make sure that they are symmetric, just select and then click symmetric. Okay, let's say here now use the okay, here will be 11 of 15 I mean, and here will be 28. Okay, that's good. Now let's here use the trim and then we'll just cut there and then activate again the seco and make it this way. Okay, now let's here extrude, and before that maybe I need to delete this line here in the center. Okay, now let's go ahead, extrude mid plane, and here will be 12. Okay, now it's here as well and here, then click OK. Now we have this initial shape. Let's now work, activate the top plane, front plane I mean, and then here convert entities, join all these complete seco, convert entities, and here I will just here go again to the extrude and will be 16. We'll put here 16. Okay, so that's better now. And again front plane again, and this part convert entities and then join, and here will be extrude 20. We'll put here 20. Good. Now we are gaining the shape of our drawing. Let's now here continue work on that. We'll just here goes to the plane. Reference will be the top here, very important. Put here normal, and here we'll just leave 52. Now sketch in this plane that I have done. Activate the seco and put here 2 seco on this side and also in that side. So we'll just here smart dimension, and then it will be 14 for both. Click 14 for both drawing. That's good. Let's now here continue extrude, and then here we'll put 37. We'll just see revert position 37 here. Okay, that's good, and then click OK. That's good. That's the one I want. Now I will go to the same sketch. Very important here. I will go to the same sketch, select, and then go to the extrude cut. And here we'll select offset, and here we'll put 3 degree, and here we'll put 35, and then reverse. And here draw outboard, very important. So you can see we have these cut outside. That one. Now we can hide this plane. Now let's here go to the hole wizard. We're gonna make here the hole wizard. Click there. And we need here to define. I will choose a metric system, and it will be M10. And here I need also to make some change. And here we'll put 11. Okay, that's the one I want, 11. And here we'll put let's see 12. So very important. I just need here to change and 4 and up to next. Okay, maybe I need to change here not up next. I will put just blind and put the size. Okay, that's good. So just put here blind and then put 42. So it's okay, and we'll just here keep that the angle. Like go there, select, and then so we have this hole. So that's the one we want. So we have made the hole. Probably I will just here change. I don't want to have that angle. I just want to have like straight. Just go back and then change this angle here. 90 degree, and we'll put 0 degree. So I just want to have a flat shape there. Okay, now it is better now. Okay, we have done all these parts. You can see, so it is now flat. We can here so work here, make that groove in the middle. Just here sketch and then activate the rectangle, center rectangle. Just follow this line right there about the middle, and then click there. Now we can here make the dimension will be 11 here, and here will be 67. Okay, now we need to make relation. So this one here and that one must be in this middle line. Okay, let's see here, deselect the smart dimension, click here and click also now vertical. So you can see they are fully defined. That's what. Now let's here go to the Extruded Cut, and I will put here 2. Click there. Good. Do the same thing in other side. Sketch, and then here I'll just copy the last sketch, convert into this, and then Extruded Cut, and then also put 2. We are done this part. Okay, we are put all together. Now we're gonna here put some chamfer 2 and 1. Okay, that's better, and then click OK. So for both, that's good. Now let's here use the split line. We're gonna now divide this one, but before that, let's here make the sketch. For that, we're gonna put here one line in the middle, right? We're gonna divide it here. Just click one line just in the middle, and one circle as well, like that. And we're gonna here divide this circle. We're gonna put here smart dimension for this distance to here. I will put here 1.50, 1.5. Okay, that's good. And this one here is 29. The diameter will be 29, so it is already fully defined. Good. Now we're gonna here rebuild. Very important here, before we go to the split line direct editing. So I'll just here first go back. We need first to save the drawing. So if you don't save the drawing, will not work. So we need first to save the drawing so that we can divide and give the name for each part. Let's come here first to rebuild, and then save this drawing. Okay, very important here. I'm gonna just put here like on rod A, connecting rod A, just like that, and then go to the direct editing, split, and then here select these 2 lines, the second line, and then click OK. So you can see cut. We have here 4 parts, right? So we have this top, bottom, and the other one. So here I'll just give the name. I'll just put here like on connecting rod or con rod A1. Okay, and then here same thing. I'll just put con rod A2, and the other one will put con rod A3, and the other one will put con rod A4. So we have here 4 parts. Now very important here, I will go down propagate, very important, and here need to check, must be current template check. Now click OK. So it will come for informations. Just need to click OK for time, because they are 4 parts. Okay, just don't just click for yes first, yes 2, yes 3, yes 4. Then it will generate 4 parts. So we have done at the same times the connecting rod and the rod bearing. So as you can see, we have this part here, right, from the bottom. We have the rod bearing, the half mom rod bearing, right, and we also have the part from the top, so for the rod and the rod bearing. So they are all 4. Just here make some material. I'll just choose this one here, right, it's black, and the other one will be other part, which is a polished steel, right, because they are smooth steel, must be smooth steel because it is bearing. So that's about it. I hope you liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe. Consider as well to watch this video here, and see you to the next one.